and together we are Mommy and We Travels. So we decided to take a detour in Hiroshima, and right now we are in Miraguchi, and we're on our way to see the shrine. So this is what it looks like over here. It's a quick non-stops from Hiroshima Station, and we are heading towards the ferry. So we'll show you all about it. Stay tuned. So we are using one of the lockers over here in the waiting room area. So Isabella's pushing her stuff in there. Alright, and then here comes my stuff. To choose English. Pay our deposit. Choose this locker. Alright, it says spend your card.
The first hour is free.
Alright. And then that's it.
It's done when you see the go.
So we're in this waiting room, and we're getting ready to go to the Sanyo line. Alright, so we're here at Miyashima-guchi, getting ready to catch the airport. Where are you going? Huh? Alright, so this way to the airport. Mirajima. You gotta get a ticket to get on? I wish they had cups on. I think it's this one. So you're gonna come in here to catch the ferry. So we literally got a few minutes until our ferry takes off. And we just scan in with our pass. All right, so we are here at the ferry. We made it just in time. And so it's about 500 to 600 yen per person to get onto the ferry. So this is the ferry here. It's so beautiful. Oh, I think the ambulance is coming on too. The ambulance. Look, I think the ambulance is coming on. I'm pretty sure it is. Oh man. Huh?
Why?
Just in case. And I don't think it's handicap accessible either.
So the ferry is actually handicap accessible. So right behind the stairs, there's a little tiny room that people that can't get up the stairs, they can sit in.
Safety standards. In case of emergency, information will be broadcast over the loudspeaker.
お戻りください。
Look at the shrine over there.
本日はご乗船ありがとうございました。
Ladies and gentlemen, we will soon be arriving at the harbour pier. As the ferry may both appear on arrival, we ask you to please remain.
Okay, so when you get off of the ferry, this is kind of sort of what it's going to look like. But if you're trying to go to the shrine, all you got to do is follow signs to the shrine.
All right, so once you get off on the ferry here, you got a whole little village going on. So we're going to walk to the shrine and probably taste some food along the way. Reminds me of what Nada is going to look like. Look at the deer.
Does she know there's a deer behind her?
Yeah, they're just roaming around probably. Look at the deer.
Speak English?
Yeah.
If you walk down the street on the left, there's about 5
decent priced snacks along the way.
Thank
and little
you,
things. So yeah, it's not bad. It's a nice little walk. Get a little ice cream or something.
Thank you. Well, hello. Put your hand out, Bells. Hi. Hello. Hi. I don't have any food. I'm sorry. He's looking for his food. Come on. All right, come on. Now don't get jumped, Isabella. Here, pet him. You want to pet him? He's looking for food, girl.
Whoa, his antlers are so soft.
Are they?
Yeah.
Hello. Hi, I don't have any food.
Let me feel them.
Y'all looking for the food? Oh my gosh, I didn't know antlers were soft.
Me either.
I ain't got no food. I ain't got no food.
It's just water.
No food. No food.
Mommy, he's trying to get in your book bag.
What you looking for? Mr. Deer, reindeer. I ain't got what you trying to get out of my bag? Hey, sit you. Fellas.
Hey. And then I think that
Let's have a conversation. What's your name, sir? Hey, what's your name? What?
they might poop on you.
You think so? Here, I have a question, sir. What's your name? What's your name? And
You don't speak English.
you don't speak English?
No, they speak reindeer.
They speak reindeer?
No, don't chew on my jacket.
But you just so cute. As long as you don't bite me. He just go. Hey, come on, let's just go, cause he like my charger, and I don't have an extra charger for them to. Hey, what you doing down there, sir, ma'am? What you doing down there? Look, you scratching. Come on. Bells, come on.
Look, there's one in front of the store.
He trying to get in?
He's trying to
You think they
rob-
be going in these people's shops, taking their food and running and stuff?
I don't know.
There's the boat behind you. All right, come on, let's go. Let's go see the shrine. We're just on our way to the shrine. Look at that shrine over there. One of them was going in my purse.
Oh no, yeah, she had one trying to eat her passport.
Literally passport in his mouth.
No. Oh my gosh, look at that. What is that?
It's a crab.
Oh my God. Well, hello. Hey, what's up? Hi, why are you two different colors?
Oh my god, honey, I showed you.
I have a video. What a sight. What a sight. Look at
They
the,
have ticks.
maybe the one he had. This one's just following this guy around for his ice cream. she on? Huh?
I'll hold it again. Mommy, I want it to be in my head.
Huh?
I want it to be in my head.
In your head?
On my head.
Okay, I got it on your head. Hello? No? Okay, well, go. Oh, well, I guess we're recording. Isn't it beautiful?
So we had a fantastic time out there to see the shrine, and it took maybe a good little 10-minute walk over to the shrine. We took lots of pictures. There's lots of deers, and there's even like a little separate museum, aquarium area that you can go over and visit. But for this specific date, we didn't have time to go over there. So maybe next year when we go back, we will go. But there are so many deers that are just, hanging around, feed them, not feed them, but they are just there. And then there's also a gift shop where you can buy gifts and souvenirs, and so we got some magnets from there. But this was a nice little break from the regular hustle and bustle. And if you guys are hungry, y'all can stop over there at Lawson's and pick up something to eat. So I'm getting really, really used to eating this room temperature food over in Japan. But and then to get back, you're going to take the JR ferry. And if you are using Google to look at the ferry times, you want to take away 5 minutes, because they take away 5 minutes, because in Japan, honey, they leave on time. Like, you're not there on time. That the breakfast is closed, the bullet train is it's leaving you. Listen, they leave on time. And then so here's the room here that is handicap accessible. And then we just pretty much made our way over back to Hiroshima Station. Quick 9 stop ride, get on the ferry, got off the ferry, and then the station is literally right there. And so like literally one train will take you there. If you're trying to go see the shrine from Hiroshima Station, I would totally recommend it. And I feel like that it can be done in well under 4 hours. And we didn't move too fast, too slow, kind of moved at a moderate pace. So from Hiroshima Station, you want to take the Sanyo line. Take the Sanyo line, get off 9 stops later at Medeguchi. And then you can go all the way over to the JR West Ferry. Take that ferry. It's going to be about 500 yen per person. Take that ferry over to the shrine, and then when you're coming back, literally do the reverse. So we left our book bags there at Hiroshima Station. We were not about to bring them, but yeah, as soon as we got back, I had to pay that 600 yen, and they clearly said that it was under 4 hours. So yep, it can totally be done, and I highly recommend it.
So I've been seeing these cute little things. People have been walking around eating them and stuff while we're here in Hiroshima. So we decided to get one, and we're going to taste it. So this is what it looks like outside of the wrapper. Some kind of paste on the inside, y'all. So Isabella has a pineapple flavor.
It tastes like fresh pineapple.
It's like
So these little cute things over in Hiroshima, they were super cute. They had like some kind of flavored paste in them. It was like more between like a jelly and a paste, but they were okay.